can transportation demand be planned efficiently? How can batches be connected across the entire supply chain? The logistics phase already plays a decisive role in production and procurement. Components and products need to be brought together and managed, even in time-critical circumstances. SAP Logistics Business Network offers opportunities to identify and leverage the potential of fully integrated logistics. The Material Traceability option connects batch information at a cross-company level. By utilizing blockchain technology, insights are shared within a secure network, creating trust and transparency. In an upstream analysis, manufacturers can monitor batch correlations all the way to raw material suppliers. And in cases of component issues, you can identify all affected batches. An alert can be sent and evaluated down the supply chain to trigger a recall process. The actual planning and execution of transportation requests happens in SAP Transportation Management. Transportation demand is visualized in the Gantt chart, where optimizer-based planning improves capacity utilization and routing. 3D load planning shows if all planned cargo will fit in the chosen vehicle, thanks to a planning algorithm that takes various constraints into consideration. Next, a peer-to-peer tendering process is carried out using the freight collaboration option of the SAP Logistics Business Network. By networking all partners, the whole supply chain becomes highly efficient. Scheduling, cost estimates, and transport confirmations can be collaboratively processed and shared. The process ensures that end-of-line customers can enjoy the finished product at any time and place, and their feedback can initiate a new design-to-consume process to optimize the product according to their wishes.